Early signs of HIV in men. Wondering about what is HIV and what are the early signs of HIV? Curious to know why men are more affected than women? If yes, then congratulations, as you have just landed on the right video. HIV stands for the human immunodeficiency virus, in which the person's immune system becomes weak due to lack of lymphocytes. You will be amazed to know that more men than women are affected by the disease, but are unaware of the early signs. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through some of the early signs of HIV in men. So sit back and make sure to stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss anything at all. Without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. What is HIV? HIV is a virus that is transmitted through sexual intercourse, intravenous drugs, and fluids like saliva and semen. When a person becomes infected with HIV, the T lymphocytes, which fight the germs in our body, are depleted, and as a result, the person becomes more prone to disease. The first effect of HIV on your body is heavy flu. A flu is the major reaction of the body against any virus. On top of that, if you are sexually active and notice flu for a longer time, then do consider getting yourself tested for HIV, as it takes your body almost 1 to 2 months to showcase the symptoms. Meanwhile, you are at the risk of transferring the virus to any other person. Although the signs of HIV in men and women are almost the same, there are some early symptoms that people mostly ignore and are not really considered much of a deal. So here's a list of all the early signs of HIV in men which you shouldn't really take easy, and consult a doctor as soon as you notice any. 7. Headache and fatigue. While your body's immune system tries to fight the HIV virus, it leads to inflammation as well, and all thanks to the little dead bodies of T lymphocytes trying to fight and die during the entire battle. This inflammation later makes you feel lethargic and tired. On top of that, one can also feel out of breath even when walking normally. If you are also noticing any of these signs, and not to mention that you are sexually active, then it's time for you to get tested right away. 6. Fever. As the virus multiplies and increases in number, it also enters the bloodstream and you might experience swollen lymph nodes. Moreover, sore throat is also one of the major effects on your body. All these will increase your body temperature and you will experience it for a few days. Do not ignore any of these signs if you are experiencing any, as all this comes under the early signs of HIV in men. 5. Joint pain and achy muscles. Yes, you heard me just right. HIV also comes with some unbearable joint pains. As joint pains aren't really common in young people, so if a man is experiencing joint pain and achy muscles, then it is highly likely that he is HIV positive. Another important thing to know is a pain in the armpit, groin, and neck. And here's why. The lymph nodes play a major role in protecting our body from outside germs by killing bacteria and viruses. And when they fight HIV, they become swollen, and as a result, it leads to pain in the previously discussed areas. 4. Skin rash. Skin rashes or boils usually appear during the flu period, also known as seroconversion. These boils look like pink breakouts and are itchier than the normal ones. So, if you notice any rash, then it's time for you to get tested as soon as possible. 3. Dry cough. Dry cough sucks, and I'm pretty sure that you all agree on this point. But did you know that dry cough is also one of the early symptoms of HIV in men? Well, now you do. On top of that, this dry cough is not the ordinary one that usually goes away with inhalers and antibiotics. This dry cough is rather more resistant and continues from weeks to even months. It is one of the major early signs of HIV in men. 2. Vomiting and diarrhea. If a person is experiencing diarrhea which is not responding to any therapy, then he should consider himself getting tested, as the digestive issues are one of the major early signs of HIV. Nausea and vomiting are also enlisted among the signs, and not to mention that you need to drink a lot of water as you have to stay as much hydrated as possible. 1. Night sweats. Well, night sweats aren't common, and if you have an active sex life and you are experiencing some, then get yourself tested as soon as possible before you transfer it to someone else. As such, night sweats can occur even when the temperature is low. Well, the early signs of HIV are many, but we could enlist only these for now, as prevention is better than cure, especially when you know that there is no cure for the disease. There are some medications that can help you live a normal life, but you are always at the risk of transferring HIV to other people. Try to avoid unprotected sex with casual partners. Moreover, also ensure safe use of needles. Thank you for watching.